In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find the File tab in Outlook. If you've ever been told to click on the File tab to change a setting, add an account, or export something, but you couldn't see it anywhere, you're not alone. Outlook's layout can look slightly different depending on your version and how your window is sized. So in this walkthrough, I'll help you quickly locate the File tab and recognize it every time you open Outlook. First, make sure Outlook is open on your computer and that you're in the main mail view, where you can see your inbox and list of emails. At the very top of the window, you should see a strip of options called the ribbon. This is where you usually find tabs like Home, Send, Receive, View, and sometimes Help. The File tab is part of this ribbon. Look toward the upper left corner of the Outlook window. The File tab is normally the very first item on the ribbon, just above the list of folders like Inbox and Sent items. It's usually labeled with the word File, and may have a slightly different color or background than the other tabs, because it opens what's called the Backstage view. If you don't immediately see it, check whether the ribbon is minimized. Sometimes Outlook hides the ribbon to give you more space. In that case, you might only see the tab names. Click once near the top of the window, on any tab like Home or View, and the ribbon should expand. Once expanded, glance back to the far left side, and you should see the File tab there. In some newer layouts, you might also see a small icon for the app in the top left corner, but the word File will still be close by on that same top line. When you click the File tab, the entire view will change from your inbox to a full-page menu where you can see options like Account Information, Open and Export, Save As, Print, and various Outlook options. This change in layout is a good confirmation that you've clicked the right thing. If your Outlook window is very narrow or not maximized, the ribbon can compress and things may appear slightly shifted. Try maximizing the window so it fills your screen. That often makes the File tab easier to spot in the top left. Once you've found it, remember, the File tab is always on the top ribbon, at the far left, and it's your main gateway to account settings, printing, saving, and many of Outlook's more advanced options.